Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to add a wish list on Evite. So the first thing you have to do is to create a an Evite. So to do that, just go to any of these invitation templates and select anyone. Let's just choose this first birthday. So once the page is all set up, you can scroll down and choose a template we like, or the one that speaks to us in the best way possible or close to what we're actually looking for. So note that there are premium templates and the free versions. So let's just go for the free versions. Okay, good. Oh god, I love this baby already. So just click on it, and on this page we can actually edit our invitation. We can even upload a photo if we want. So I do not have a photo of a baby. Let's just assume I have a picture of my baby in the my system. Maybe I actually do. Okay, I'm not. I don't need to do any of those. So let me just upload this particular picture. Or I should just go. Okay, let's do that. But that baby is quite cute. So yeah, I can also edit the text here with the text editor, or you can join us. Blah blah blah. Good. Once the text, you can set all of this, make it customized, and then click on next, which is your event details, where you get to add the title of your event and the proposed date. So once you, let's say is Jake's, let's make it to be Jake's first. I said a root cake, so Jake's first. The event date, bro is a baby, so let's make it Saturday on should be awake, but let's just put let's say 1 p.m., and then we can add the guest of honor and co-host if need be. um but since we want to add a wish list, we have to just click on it. Is not on this is the most important ones, but to add the wish list, just we have to click on next. Good. So on the wish list, we can see it on the gifting section, which is the third of phase of this invite creation. Click on add a wish list. So if this wish list is for people that have you have things to get, or really want some things, and people can just look at them and see if they could actually match any of the items or all the items, if luck is on your side for that. So you can add this, you can add recipient's name. Obviously it's baby Jake. Jake. So optional, you can leave a note. You can now, if you have a URL here, or let's say you have a Notion template, a Notion list here, you can add it. A Google Doc, you can add it here, and then once you do that, you would click on add. No, let me just do that here. Let's assume this is what I want, so I'll click on this, and then I can leave a note if I want, and then click yes. And I can also add an additional wish list link if I want to, and click on done. Now you see it appears this way. So once I click on this, it should take me to the link of Jake's wish list. So next I can get to since it's a baby, I can create a baby fund. But since I do not want to, I can just click on next to review my invite, and once it's good to go, I can just add my finish up add my I can add my guest list and finish up. So this is how to actually add a wish list on Evite. So if this video has been helpful to you in any way, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.